Okay, my 2011 Arctic Cat 350 4x4. I have a battery I'm using to jump with right now, 12.5 volts in that. New battery here, 12.5 volts. I'm jumping across with them. It's got a new solenoid in from the factory. It's got a new starter. I've been fighting this problem for a bigger part of a year or more, probably a year and a half. So he's got power. Hit the start button. It's what it's been doing. Yes, the original manufacturer solenoid. I had an aftermarket put in, same. That aftermarket replaced the original solenoid that was on here. So I'm on my third solenoid. I got an aftermarket starter on it. Never helped. Put a bigger battery in. Never helped. Made new cables. Nothing. I give up. Appreciate any help. Thanks.